Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Listen, man, I'm super duper excited to come to y'all today, man. I'm dropping this video. I'm excited and a little agitated at the same time because as I'm looking at this right now, so my alert just sounded out right. So I won big on EURUSD today, man. I made about $433, and could have won more had I ate the rest of this, right? Because I caught literally all this fair value gap from here to here. But I mean, I caught it back down here somewhere, I believe. Uh, yeah, I think I was like about right up in here, right above this red, and caught it all the way up. And I had said it was going here, right? I said it was going here. I started closing the gap, right? Because I had this open. And as it was closing, as it was filling the gap, right, I just started closing it, closing it, closing it, closing it. You can see where it wicked that at right there. So I'm gonna show you on my sway exactly where I got at. So on sway here, we actually got out about right above this red candle because it kept wicked. I didn't want to happen what happened to me yesterday. Yesterday we was holding, right? We was in profit. I was up a good $300-400, and I told my son, I said, if somebody handed you $400, right, would you take it or say, bring it back? I'm gonna see if you can get some more. He said, I'm gonna take it. I said, exactly. I said, I didn't take mine yesterday simply because it's digital, right? When if somebody has handed me $400, I'm gonna take the cash. You know what I'm saying? And so I went with that philosophy today, and I took my money. You know what I'm saying? I took my money, and I'm happy I did. And I can show you, on the trading dashboard, $432, right? Which is my W for the day on EURUSD. Now I did take a L earlier. I'm not gonna lie to y'all today. We traded Nas, and I'm gonna show y'all what happened on that bad boy. So on Nas, I ended up losing 318. This was my first trade today, 318. I had got up like 120 something, and then ended up losing. So we're gonna go to a different. I'm gonna use my MetaTrader. This is just a demo account that I use, to look at other pairs. So I ain't gotta keep flipping back and forth from TradingView to my sway to, you know what I'm saying. So I use this to really kind of dance around the different pairs. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing like MetaTrader, in my opinion, but unfortunately we can't use it no more. So it is what it is. Move on to the next big thing. So, uh, Nas, right? This is Nas right here. So look, we got in about right up here. All right, we had a sniper entry. Me and my wife, excited, right? Excited about this sniper entry. Just on the downside, right? And rolled that bad boy down to right there. And it started to pull up. So we looking, I'm like, man, I ain't no way in the world, you know what I'm saying, that's it. But sure enough, man, that was a bottoming tail bar. Shout out to Oliver Velez. Y'all know who Oliver Velez is. Go look at him. Go research him, man. He is one of the best on YouTube, man, that's just giving all of the sauce when it comes to these candlesticks. But this bottoming tail bar was a clear sign that we was going to head back up. I didn't want to believe it. Neither did my wife. So we rolled it out till about right up in here. And that was a good enough L for us, right? Because I think we was at like 0.20 and had two positions. And so just that little move alone, man, had me at 300. My stop loss, my mental stop loss was $300. So once I crossed that, I got the heck up out of there. And it might have been a little bit further. Either way, my mental stop loss was 300, right? So I ended up getting up out that bad boy, ended up losing 318, and said I got to go back to the drawing board. So we jumped on EURUSD. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is the beautiful thing about it. If I look overall, right, I end up winning the entire day. You know what I'm saying? So 113. If you subtract 433 from the 318, boom, this is what you get. So I end up overall winning the day, right? But I just took an L, and so for me, man, I'm thinking now, just because how I'm able to, go with higher lots on a currency pair versus, the indices, I might back off of Nas for just a little bit, man. And like crazy part about it is like it didn't create a new high. If I go to the daily, boo, like that is literally the newest high of the year right now. Did it quite get there? Let me see. Almost. So right there, that red wick is the high of the day. So I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna create that high during London. If not, definitely by tomorrow. And then shoot back down. And so, but I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm not gonna mess with it, y'all. If I mess with it, I really have to see a clear cut sign. Just beautiful setup, and then I'll take it. But for the most part, I'm gonna stick with the pairs. Like I really am pretty good with EURUSD. Like EURUSD saved my behind last week, right? Thank God for the discernment and the just the faith to get back in the markets after you take a L. And so this was beautiful, man. My wife, she ended up making like, I think hers was like three something, almost. She made almost four, right? And so together, I know when we totaled it up, it was about $800 together. You know what I'm saying, that we did just on EURUSD alone. And so, man, it was just a phenomenal win today, and that bad boy still pushing. What I'm upset about is I had said if it got to this point, because I had set an alert for the bad boy and everything, but like I said, I end up getting out simply because this, as you can see, like we had been doing pretty good. Yeah, this big push. Yeah, these two green candles, and finally we had a red candle. I'm like, yesterday just really, warped my mind. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, live the trade another day, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't give no money back. You know what I'm saying? Live the trade another day. So I survived that little pullback, and then it went back up, but it had got to hesitating for a minute because I actually traded off the hour today. The hour just looked more cleaner to me. When I was on the 5 minute, it was just too much going on. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, the 5 can trip you up, right? I like getting entries off the 5, but the 5 can trip you up, man. Y'all can see that there. And so I just got tired of playing with it. So I looked at the hours. As you can see, that's just a lot going on. And so you don't know what's really happening, right? You don't know what's really happening. So with the hour, if you look at the hour, man, it's just a whole lot cleaner. But it did get stagnant on me. And so I got out. You know what I'm saying? And so left a little money on the table, man. If I would have, stuck to my rule and went and, hit that bad boy, would have been good. I had already, got way more than a 1-to-1. I believe I got like a 1 or 2, maybe 1 or 3 on that trade. So, you know what I'm saying? $433. That's good money. You know what I'm saying? Who is making that in a day? You know what I'm saying? Some people not making that in a week, right? Or barely making that a week. You know what I'm saying? So I'm good with it. But we good money, man. Excited to close out the day tomorrow. We're going to end the week strong. My goal is to have the account back, to $2,000. I'm thinking about getting into London tonight. I'm going to be doing my top-down analysis on GU and GJ, which are some amazing London pairs that move with volatility. And if I see, a setup, I'm going to jump on that tonight, and then I'm going to finish it out with New York in the morning. So keep y'all posted, man. Y'all stay tuned. Like I told y'all, my goal for March is 10K. All right. My birthday is March 27th, so that will make a great birthday present. So, and y'all shoot up some prayers for your boy, man, and pray to God for me. Y'all pray for me. I pray for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got to be able to involve God in everything you do. He wants to be involved in everything you do. You got to keep him first. You know what I'm saying? And keeping him first meaning taking him seriously, man. Meaning diving in his word. And just really understanding that he is the end all be all. He is the reason for everything. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm a man of God first, y'all. All this other stuff comes second. I do enjoy trading, man. I thank God for this skill set. I thank God for this way of making money, but it don't run my life. You know what I'm saying? God runs my life. And I put him first, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's a few gems for y'all, for some of y'all who may be struggling or just trying to figure out life, man. Put God first, and everything else will start to make sense for you. Real talk. Love y'all, man. Y'all have a phenomenal day. I will see y'all on the next video. Matter of fact, I will see y'all tomorrow. Win, lose, or draw. I'm coming back tomorrow, man. Keeping it 100 with y'all, and letting y'all know what's going on in these markets and what's going on in my trading journey. 10K, here we come. It's up.